So later when I'm at the store, while I'm standing in the peanut butter aisle, I'll pop a boner.
Hi, this is Redneck Ramblings. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to sample some peanut butter milk stout from Belching Beaver Brewery. This is with natural flavoring and contains lactose and comes in at 5.3% ABV. This is only the second thing I've ever had from them, and I was really impressed with the other item. Oh, look at that. That nice dark looking stout. It's got a beautiful head on it. Ooh, it does. We might get a little bit of spillage. Yes, we will. See if we can sample that. Oh, on the nose, you can definitely smell that peanut butter. Oh, yes, you can. Mmm. You can really smell that peanut butter. On the flavor, you can taste the peanut butter, but the peanut butter is not like in your face. It's not a real bold peanut butter. It's a very subtle peanut butter flavor. You can taste those malted grains, those dark malted grains. That's pretty good. So it has that traditional stout flavor with a peanut butter essence to it. It's pretty good. It's not an overpowering peanut butter, but whatever they're using to whatever peanut butter they're using to flavor with, they're doing a pretty good job. It is very flavorful, that dark beer. That is really good. It's not real sweet. It's kind of it's more of a dry beer than the last one I had from them. But yeah, you definitely get a really good flavor from those malted grains with a nice peanut butter essence to it. It's really good. Belching Beaver. Pretty impressed with what I've tried with them from them so far. If they happen to be around you, if you happen to see it in the store, give it a shot. Pick up one and try it. They're not that expensive compared to some of the other milk stouts that I've had. They're kind of moderately priced. But yeah, I like it. I like it. It's good stuff. Like I said, not an overpowering peanut butter flavor. Wasn't real sure what to expect from it. It's not a real sweet peanut butter. Like if you'd had that chocolate in there, it might be a little sweeter. That's good. That's Redneck Ramblings. Hit that thumbs up button down below. Click on that subscribe link if you're not subscribed. Hit the little bell icon to be notified. Until later, you have a good night. Thank you.